Hi everybody, this week's activity we're going to show you how to make a musical instrument. So first you'll need a tube. So I have my tube here. This could be a toilet roll tube or a kitchen roll tube. You don't have to do it with a tube. I've got a bottle or a little yogurt pot here, but today I'm going to show you how to do it with a tube. Okay, so we have our tube here, and what I've done already is I've put a piece of paper at the bottom to cover one end, and I have used some sellotape, and you can use, if you have, you could use different coloured tape, and I've taped it all over the bottom of the tube. Okay, we're going to pour our rice into our tunnel. So you might need your grown-ups after this, and we're going to fill it up about halfway. You might get some rice all over the place. A bit more. Okay, there we go. So now we need to cover the top so all the rice don't fall out. So I'm going to show you how to cover the top. So we have a piece of paper, or it could be a card, and we're going to place it on the top. And we're going to sellotape so it's nice and secure. And what I would do is I would cover the top with sellotape as well, just like this one, so it's a bit more stronger. And there we have our musical instrument. So I've used rice for this one, but we've got one here that is lentils. It's a good one. Chickpeas. So we fill the bottle up with chickpeas, and it makes a different sound. And then we've got a bottle with rice. There you go. And then you have your musical instrument.